Gildan Media, a division of Recorded Books, presents The Dhandho Investor, The Low-Risk Value Method to High Returns, by Mohnish Pabrai, narrated by Shah. Limit of liability, disclaimer of warranty. While the publisher and author have used their best efforts in preparing this book, they make no representations or warranties with respect to the accuracy or completeness of the contents of this book, and specifically disclaim any implied warranties of merchantability or fitness for a particular purpose. No warranty may be created or extended by sales representatives or written sales materials. The advice and strategies contained herein may not be suitable for your situation. You should consult with a professional where appropriate. Neither the publisher nor author shall be liable for any loss of profit or any other commercial damages, including but not limited to special, incidental, consequential, or other damages. Chapter 1. Patel Motel Dhandho. Asian Indians make up about 1% of the population of the United States, about 3 million people. Of these 3 million, a relatively small subsection is from the Indian state of Gujarat, the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi, and a very small subsection of Gujaratis, the Patels, are from a tiny area in southern Gujarat. Less than 1 in 500 Americans is a Patel. It is thus amazing that over half of all the motels in the entire country are owned and operated by Patels. What is even more stunning is that there were virtually no Patels in the United States just 35 years ago. They started arriving as refugees in the early 1970s without much in the way of education or capital. Their heavily accented, broken English-speaking skills didn't improve their prospects either. From that severely handicapped beginning, with all the odds stacked against them, the Patels triumphed. Patels as a group today own over $40 billion in motel assets in the United States, pay over $725 million a year in taxes, and employ nearly 1 million people. How did this small, impoverished ethnic group come out of nowhere and end up controlling such vast resources? There is a one-word explanation: Dhandho. Dhandho is a Gujarati word. Dhan comes from the Sanskrit root word dhana, meaning wealth. Dhandho, literally translated, means endeavors that create wealth. The street translation of Dhandho is simply business. What is business if not an endeavor to create wealth? However, if we examine the low-risk, high-return...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?